Hello there guys and welcome to Student Meals. In this episode I will show you a super delicious recipe for a cocktail that I picked up when I was working as a bartender back in the day. It's super easy, it's super delicious, and especially if you like caramel, this one is definitely for you. I hope that you enjoy this episode. So for this cocktail you'll need half a lime, which I've cut up into 4 parts, about 2 to 3 grapes, 2 centiliters of caramel syrup. I will be using some vodka, but you can make this with any liqueur you want. The original recipe says to use some blueberry liqueur. It has a slight difference, but you don't really taste it that much. So if you can't find a specific liquor, you can also just use plain vodka. And finally, some crushed ice. If you don't have crushed ice, you can just take some ice cubes, wrap them in a towel, and smash them with something heavy. That way you'll get some crushed ice. Alright, let's do this. This recipe is quite easy and super straightforward. So, take your lime, put it in a glass. Also add the grapes in the glass. Take a blunt object or a crusher if you have one and crush your ingredients in the glass. I'm just going to use this plastic utensil I have. Make sure that you squeeze the juices out of everything, but don't over crush it, something like that. Then take a jigger and measure out 2 centiliters of caramel syrup. There we go. And add it in there. Then take 6 centiliters of vodka. That's 2. And that's 6. And add it to the glass as well. At this point your drink is almost done. All you have to do now is just add some crushed ice. Don't top it off. Then take a spoon and give everything a nice stir. Make sure that the caramel and the vodka are nicely mixed and all of the juices as well. And now just for the presentation, top it off with some more crushed ice. Take a grape, cut it in 2, put it on top, and 1 or 2 straws, it doesn't really matter. And there you go. You have yourself a nice, refreshing drink. And if you're ever in Ghent and you want to visit the bar where I used to work, you can always swing by and enjoy some nice, delicious cocktails. Link in the description.
Time for a test! Cheers! Oh, it's delicious. I love sweet cocktails, and this is definitely a sweet cocktail, but it still has the freshness of the grapes and the lime. So it really takes me back because I used to drink these a lot when Leo was working in the cocktail bar and I was waiting for him at the bar while drinking something, and this was my favorite cocktail of the entire menu, and I actually still love it. So delicious! So thank you guys for watching this episode. We hope you enjoyed it. Feel free to give us a like, and if you just like our channel, feel free to subscribe. Thanks again, and as always, see you in the next one. Goodbye!